Welcome to my YouTube channel named MS Consulting and Training. And this is Manoj here. And today I'm going to present with you the part 2 of my video titled Is there any difference between autograph and signature? So if you have not watched my earlier part, that is part 1, please do watch it. The link is mentioned in the description box. Okay, so coming back to this topic. So in the last video, that is part 1, I have explained with you that yes, there is a difference between autograph and signature. So in the last video, I have explained the history of both as well as the dictionary meaning of the both. So to conclude from that, one very major difference between that, autograph is associated with famous person, whereas signature we all have, and signature is being used as a legal entity for all our legal documents, whereas autograph is only used to give a personal touch and to write the celebrity's name in some designer or stylish manner, mainly to give to its fans. So this is the major difference. So now the question will come in your mind whether celebrities who give the autographs, where that autograph is same as their signature. So keeping the statistics and the present trend, I have verified this from my friend circle, those who work in travel industry as well as in the bank sector, that celebrities have a different autograph and the same celebrity having a different signature when they sign on a legal document. So most of the today's celebrity, it is not the same. But if you see the past, one of the very well known, very reputed celebrity is having almost same autograph as his signature. So who is that celebrity? Do watch this video till the end. I am going to reveal that celebrity's name, and not only I am going to reveal whose signature as well as autograph is same, I am going to show the example of that celebrity's autograph as well as signature also. Okay, so let's come back to our topic. So as you know, autograph is not same as signature. So mostly autograph is been given to fan to create a personal touch, and fans are also very happy to preserve or cherish that memento. So you also must have taken a lot of few autographs of your few celebrities. So just take one example of very well-known celebrity, that is superstar Rajinikanth. So mostly any celebrity, when he or she gives the autograph, they write some message in the autograph. It is the style. Mostly they write, if the connection with that celebrity and that fan is well known, that fan is well known to the celebrity, they write their name, dear XYZ, then the signature and best wishes, or with love and that sign, etc. So let's see the autograph, actual autograph photo of superstar Rajinikanth. He has a habit of always write God bless or Om and then put his autograph. Here in this original autograph of superstar Rajinikanth, he has mentioned God bless as well as Om also. But if you have seen his official document, mostly recently he has published a notice with reference to his political status on his official letterhead, in that his official signature differs than his autograph. So you must be noticed in that official signature of superstar Rajinikanth, he doesn't write God bless or Om. It is only applicable when he writes his autograph. So mainly why the question comes, why fans collect the autograph and keep or preserve it? The answer is mainly to create a personal touch to that celebrity whom they have kept in their heart and soul. So that is the only reason why everyone is passionate about their celebrity to have their autograph and preserve it and show among their friends and relatives that how they got the autograph. So every you if even if you are having your favorite celebrity's autograph, every autograph must be associated with the story that how we have taken it. One of my family friend who has taken autograph of very well known celebrity, and that time that celebrity has used his own pen, the fan's pen. So that is why he is still preserving that pen. So that is the way how there is an emotional bonding is associated with that autograph and that moment. So there are a lot of stories that how the celebrities, because most of the cases when we come to face with the celebrity, we are not having a signature book or anything. So there are very much lot of stories, or you must have seen on the internet a lot of photos of celebrities signing in some rough paper or in-flight magazine, or once a celebrity has signed on a flight boarding pass also. Another interesting fact about the autograph, I remember when uh, the pop star Michael Jackson, the superstar, visited only once in India for a live concert, that is in the dated year 1996, when he has stayed in a five-star presidential suite in Mumbai. I remember after a few days, the waiter serving to Michael Jackson, the waiter has published the image of the autograph of Michael Jackson. He has taken it from a paper that is used in a hotel, a normal paper, you can say a small towel like paper. So he has taken a autograph of Michael Jackson in that type of paper. Same way, sports persons are very well known for signing the t-shirts, signing bats, dress materials, etc. So this is about the autograph. Now coming to the last part of our video, that is I have told you that that very well known celebrity is having the same signature as his autograph. So let's see, any guesses who is that celebrity? So that celebrity is none other than Mr. Big B or Amitabh Bachchan. So let's see Mr. Amitabh Bachchan's signature. So this is Amitabh Bachchan's autograph. He write the initial alphabets in a quite big fashion. So this is Amitabh Bachchan's autograph, and I'm going to show Amitabh Bachchan's official signature also, which is very known in a television show called Kaun Banega Crorepati. So both examples are here in front of you. So you must be seeing there hardly any difference between both. And some in this autograph of Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, he has written like a double-decker bus, the first name and the surname, but some autographs he writes as per the his original signature also. So this is a very good example of the celebrity who is having autograph and signature almost same. So just with the basics of statistics, if you see the celebrities in the 70s, 80s, or even 90s, their autograph is 90% or 95% is same as per their signature. But the present trend, because nowadays celebrities are very cautious So the present trend of the celebrity, their autograph and their actual legal entity of the signature, that is the signature, is differs in a drastic way, but their style remains same. But the difference, you can say, it is 50 to 40% is a very common difference. Some celebrities whose autograph is completely different than their signature, there are also some celebrities like that. But coming back to this 21st century, I have observed that most of the celebrities today, their autograph and signature differs 50 to 60%. So this is all about this interesting topic about the difference between autograph and signature. If you have not seen my earlier videos, the the 10 tips for making a good positive signature, or the scientific analysis of the autograph of superstar Rajinikanth, or what is this science of signature and handwriting analysis. So all this video, if you have not watched it, please do watch it. And if you have any queries about this topic, I will be happy to answer your queries. Please feel free. You can either put it in the comment box, or you can contact my email or my WhatsApp. It is mentioned in my description box. So if you are not subscribed my channel name MS Consulting and Training, please subscribe it as at earliest. And my logo of my channel is the, always remember, it is the peacock feather. Okay, so thank you very much. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.